It's the H13 FlexRich Wet and Dry Vacuum. Meron siyang tangle cut plus dual rotation brush, meaning no need na for us na tanggalin pa yung mga buhok manually. So, tinest namin siya with coffee, leftover fries, and ground pepper. And hindi lang siya nag-vacuum. Nalinis na rin niya para ka na rin talagang nag-mop. I-display with voice prompt na rin. Guided ka every step, so hindi ka na manghuhula sa settings. Meron din siyang hot wash up to 90 degrees Celsius and antibacterial water tank. That's 99% germ-free and walang amoy. Kung gusto mo ng vacuum na totoong all-in-one, go for Dreamy H13 FlexRich. Super worth it.